Hey everyone, welcome to IPOlogy Slide Talks. Today we're diving deep into NSDL's IPO, which has generated a lot of buzz in the financial markets. Our focus will be on understanding what an offer for sale, or OFS, means and why it's important for you as a potential investor. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a clear picture of NSDL's IPO mechanics and what owning these shares could mean for you. First, let's start with the basics. What exactly is NSDL? NSDL, or National Securities Depository Limited, is a SEBI-registered entity that plays a crucial role in India's financial ecosystem. It digitizes and manages ownership records of various financial securities, such as shares, bonds, mutual funds, and gold bonds through demat accounts. Beyond holding securities electronically, NSDL provides essential services like transaction processing, e-voting, and blockchain security solutions. Its clientele spans individual investors, brokers, financial institutions, and issuers, all relying on NSDL to provide a secure and efficient infrastructure for financial markets. Now, turning to the specifics of the IPO. The bidding window for NSDL opens from July 30th to August 1st, 2025. Shares are priced between 760 Indian rupees and 800 Indian rupees, and investors can participate with a minimum lot size of 18 shares, totaling about 13,680 Indian rupees per lot. Slow, deliberate pacing to clarify numbers. The total issue size is approximately 4,011.60 Indian rupees crore. However, unlike many IPOs where companies issue new shares to raise fresh capital, NSDL's is an offer for sale, or OFS. This means that existing shareholders, primarily large banks and financial institutions, are selling their stake, and NSDL itself will not receive any funds from this transaction. So, what exactly is an offer for sale? Simply put, an OFS is a process where current shareholders sell some or all of their shares to the public. The company does not create new shares or raise fresh money. In NSDL's case, this IPO is a pure OFS, with major shareholders offloading a portion of their holdings. This process introduces NSDL's shares to the public market, enhancing liquidity and creating a public valuation without diluting ownership or directly boosting the company's balance sheet. When you decide to invest in NSDL's OFS, you gain part ownership in a vital piece of India's financial infrastructure. NSDL operates as a key player in the country's stock market ecosystem, enabling secure, electronic holding and transfer of financial securities. Your ownership entitles you to future profits through dividends and the chance to benefit from growth as the Indian financial markets expand. It's important to understand where your investment money goes in an OFS. Unlike a typical fresh issue IPO, where funds go directly to the company, all the money you pay in an OFS goes directly to the shareholders selling their shares. NSDL's business operations and cash flow remain unchanged by this transaction. Therefore, your investment is tied to the company's ongoing financial health and strategic growth, rather than any immediate injection of capital. Some investors might wonder, does an OFS mean a weaker investment? Absolutely not. Many reputable and fundamentally strong companies have successfully conducted OFS IPOs. The key to making a good investment is focusing on the company's profitability, business model, and growth outlook, not where the IPO proceeds go. NSDL checks many of these boxes. Why might NSDL be a smart investment? NSDL is a dominant infrastructure player with a near monopoly in its sector. It enjoys steady revenues, high regulatory barriers to competition, and a strong track record. Many market experts see NSDL as a reliable long-term investment, given the expanding Indian economy's increasing need for secure financial infrastructure. So, when evaluating NSDL's OFS or any OFS IPO, focus on the company's fundamentals, valuation, and growth potential. It's good to know where IPO proceeds go, but this should not overshadow the essentials of your investment decision. To summarize, NSDL's IPO as an offer for sale enables you to acquire shares in an established and essential institution within India's financial markets. The funds raised do not go into the company, but this does not detract from NSDL's strong market position or investment appeal. This video is just for sharing information, not financial advice. Don't buy or sell any stocks without doing your own research and thinking about your money goals and risks. Talk to a financial expert if you are unsure. Thank you for joining this exploration of NSDL's OFS. Remember to stay informed, invest wisely, and share your questions and thoughts below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more IPO deep dives and insights. We look forward to seeing you again soon.